Welcome to another successful RTV silicone coating project completed by Agile Microsys Pvt Limited. This is the electrical panel before coating. Dust, moisture, and contamination can reduce insulation performance and increase the risk of tracking and flashover. Our team performs professional surface preparation and thorough cleaning to ensure maximum coating adhesion and long-term protection. Next, our certified technicians apply high-performance RTV silicone coating, creating a durable hydrophobic layer that protects the equipment against pollution, humidity, and harsh environmental conditions. The completed RTV-coated panel is now protected with enhanced insulation performance, reduced maintenance requirements, and improved operational reliability. Expert RTV silicone coating solutions. Contact Agile Microsys Pvt Limited. Download our free RTV panel coating inspection checklist from our website today.